Hi family, this is Nettie with Symphony Journey. Let me see. Happy Tuesday, August the 6th. It's 10:42 a.m. My family, first this morning I went to Walmart to pick up some weed, my weed eater strand. And I picked up me some socks. I needed some more socks for my boots. And I picked up some more tape because I'm taping my walls here. Taping my walls, getting ready to do some painting. But I wanted to come show y'all. So yesterday I had jalapeno smoked boudin, right? I had a little piece left over, so I sliced these up. Boudin has meat and it has rice in it. So I put a little olive oil. Let me bring this down a little bit. I'm sorry about that, family. Okay, so I put a little olive oil in my pan. So I'm kind of like heating this up a little bit. Oh, sorry, that's even worse. Okay, so I'm just heating up my boudin sausages, jalapeno boudin. Not sausage, jalapeno boudin. It looked like sausage because I cut it up. And so, but I want to add a little twist to this here because you know I love my rice and eggs, right? But this is what I'm going to do. And you all, I saved my eggshells from my garden in this little bit here. Yeah, I was saving grease in there, but I think it wasn't good for grease. So this is what I'm doing with my leftovers. This is leftover jalapeno boudin. Leftover jalapeno boudin. So I'm, like I said, I put a little olive oil in my skillet here. And I'm just warming up this boudin. Slice them up like little boudin, like sausages. And I'm going to add an egg, raw egg. And I take the raw egg, shell, because I put them in my garden. I wish I had some fresh onions. I don't have any fresh onions. So this is what I'm doing. I didn't want to do 2 eggs. I forgot to pick up some more eggs in the store. I think I might have 3 eggs left, if that many. And I'm going to have myself some lime juice this morning. Besides me having my what is that I made some cantaloupe juice because my cantaloupe I had got from the farmer's market had ripened. And it was ripened. And so what I did, squeeze that in there. I put quite a bit in it. And this is good. Lime juice and a little jalapeno, not jalapeno, Himalayan pink salt is good for an upset stomach. Love it. I'm going to add some more. I like having my cups at the table for whatever reason. I need to save this and put this in my car. Okay. Doesn't look all that appetizing, but guess what, family? This is called reusing leftovers. Repurposing leftovers. Since y'all folks like to say repurposing leftover food. Put the skillet here down in the oven. And this is where I keep my pots and pans and things. Is in the oven. I want some more lime. My table needs to be straightened out because I got all kind of stuff on my table over here. I like a nice amount of lime. I'll get this lime juice off in here because I don't want it to let's see how this tastes. This is the first time I tried it, but you know, I just wanted to, I'm not wasting food. I just refuse to waste food. All right, so jalapeno boudin, smoked jalapeno boudin, and scrambled egg. It's all right. Not bad at all. Hold on. I like the smoked jalapeno boudin. It's not hot. It have a little kick, but it's not where you cannot eat and enjoy it. So it's smoked jalapeno boudin with the scrambled egg, the breakfast, and onion. Yeah, that tastes a bit more better. Then after I finish eating this, then I'm going to have my liquid vitamin. I still got a lot of work to do. I think I'm going to start my painting job. I'm going to paint my walls. Everything in the front is ready. The back is not ready. But when I get ready to do the back, I just move stuff out the way and do it. And I had last week on the 1st, I believe, I put stain and polyurethane on the window frame, the door frame. I didn't do the top and the windows yet because the top up there, they look like they still pretty glossy. So I'm not going to worry about the top. But I did stain the barn door and all the windows, the trimming, the floor trimming as well. All right, fam, this is Nancy Green Journey. This is a nice way of repurposing your leftover food. Wish I had onions, but it's still good. And family, I've been out in the yard this morning, cutting that front area that's near the road. I've been out there this morning doing that. And I'm just chopping down a little at a time because it's really, the grass is very tall. I'm sling blading some of it and weed-eating some of it. And once I sling blade get down, weed-eat it, then I can bring my mower over it to kind of bring it down a little bit closer. And I'm just going over and over and over the area to get it the way I like it. So, yes. So I have 2 projects going on, trying to get the tall grass down and doing my painting inside my cabin. The cabin needs to be repainted. I'm thinking that they only put 1 coat of paint, because when you take a wet towel and white, you can see, you know, it's coming off. And this is a satin paint, so it shouldn't be coming off. So I'm gonna put another coat on there. I might put 2 coats because I got a whole container, so I may put 2 coats. Just take my time, put 2 coats. I might end up sleeping in the car tonight, or I might go to the storage and get my tent and set my tent out. If I set my tent out, I'm going to get Kaya, my brother's dog. I'll let him know this weekend that I may need Kaya for a couple of nights to stay over here with me when I set my tent up. If I set the tent up, I'll let you all know. I'll come on with a video and do a video with my tent set up. All right, family, this is Nancy Sipping Me Journey. Repurpose your food. Repurpose your leftovers. That way you save yourself money. Because I was in town earlier. I started to stop and get something to eat. But I said, you know, I have that stick of boudin in there. I am going to eat the boudin, leftover boudin. And then sometimes I have crackers with. Sometimes I have the saltine crackers, or sometimes I have Ritz crackers. But I really love boudin and a good cold tea and Lay's potato chips. But since Lay's potato is going into that genetic modified stuff, I'm not buying that stuff like talking about it because I don't want it in my system. All right, fam, this is Nancy Sipping Me Journey. Please hit the like, subscribe, and share button. And you guys be blessed. Have an awesome, blessed August. Bye-bye.